Hello, we are Vivek and Sumit from Arizona State University. This video is for showing how to install all the necessary softwares to execute the Python plugin into QGIS which we have created. So there are two softwares which we require. The first one is QGIS and the other one is the LAS tools. So we'll show the installation process of QGIS first. So we Google QGIS download and we open the first link. And here you can see the links for 64-bit and 32-bit machines. So as this is 64-bit, we'll click on the 64-bit link. And as soon as you click on the link, the download begins. We'll stop this download for now because we downloaded the QGIS earlier. Now we'll show the installation process of QGIS. So this is the downloaded file. We double click on that. Yes. And then we click on next. The installation wizard is open. We press on I agree. Then here we select the destination folder and press on next. Now we check all the checkboxes here. And then press install. The installation process has begun. So the installation process is about to complete. You can see in the background new icons will be visible. We press on OK. Now the download of the dataset is complete. Now we will install another dataset. And we just click on finish now. And we'll open the QGIS desktop icon which is present on the desktop. So this is the QGIS 2.12 version. This is the latest version which we have installed. Now we will show how to install the other software which is required, that is LAS tools. So we directly Google LAS tools download, and again we open the first link which comes up. Now we click on the download hyperlink which is present. As you can see, the download has begun. The download of LAS tools is complete. Now we need to extract the files from the zip. So we extract all the files. So the extraction process is complete. And these are the LAS tools which are present in the bin folder, and these are the exes which our plugin will be using. The LASZIP exe, the LASView, and the other exes. Now we will open the QGIS. And now we'll install one sample plugin to create plugins directory. So we go to the settings in the under the plugins menu, and we check the box show also experimental plugins, and the other one which is show also deprecated plugins. We again go back to all and search for the plugin called Plugin Reloader, and we install the plugin. This will create the plugin directory for QGIS so that we can paste our plugin into that same directory. So as you can see, plugin installed successfully. The plugin is visible under plugins menu now. And now we take our plugin functionality. The name of our plugin is LiDAR Processor and LAS Viewer. We have two plugins. So we select both the plugins and we copy these folders and we will paste these folders into the plugin directory for QGIS which was created. So we open C directory and then we click on users, then the username, then we open the folder .qgis2, then we open Python. Now you can see the plugins directory is created. So we click on plugins and plugin reloader is already present and we paste our two plugins in here. To reload the plugins, we need to close QGIS and reopen it. So we close it and open it again. Now we'll go to the plugins menu and click on manage and install plugins. Now we'll search for the two plugins which we created. LiDAR processor is visible. We select both the plugins and we close the plugins menu. Now you can see both the plugins are visible under the plugins menu, LiDAR processor and LAS viewer. And now you can execute the plugin in this way. This is the user interface of our plugin.